Just look at this garage of classic cars. I mean, look at them. Look what they got. Did you see them moggies back there? Traction Advance. What a place. I wish this was at home. Let's whip round this pillar. More moggies. Ulman minks. Nip round this pillar. Look at them. Two CV next to a Peugeot. Carman gear convertible. Round this pillar. Giant Spitfires. Look at the back as well. See them over there? What's this? Austin? They didn't want one of them. Comma vans at the back. Good old minis. Bedford at there. Make great camper. Fiat 500. Who wouldn't want one of them? Another Fiat, I don't know what one that is. I don't know what they are at the back. Old fire trucks, by the looks of it. Bedfords. Just nip round this pillar. Look at them old trucks. It's a Bedford. They're all Bedfords. Wow. What a place.